Hey everyone, it's Hannah from ColDesi. In this video, we're going to go over how to make custom mugs just like these using our DigitalHeat FX 8432, Easy Peel hard surface paper, and our DigitalHeat mug press. So let's get started so you can add beautiful mugs just like these to your business. Now the first step is to adjust the toner coverage in the Print Optimizer software. This will ensure that the color from the mug does not seep through your design. First, you will click on Color Adjust in your Q settings. We have found the magic number for these mugs that we're using here today to be a coverage percentage of 225. But please note that this percentage can change depending on color and type of mug. We are now ready to press print, and as you can see, it applied some white toner to the top of our image, just like we asked it to. Now the mugs we have here today are metallic gold and metallic silver mugs from bestblanks.com. Now these are sublimation ready mugs, so we will be following the coated mugs instructions that come with your Easy Peel hard surface paper, or can be found on the product page. Now right now I am using a bit of heat tape to secure our cutout transfer onto our mug, and we want to make sure this is a really nice and tight fit. Basically, you don't want to see any gaps between your transfer and your mug because they will ultimately cause wrinkles on your design. Now this thermal heat tape is crucial when pressing mugs, especially ones with a slippery surface like this. Without it, your transfer is sure to move around and it'll most likely become crooked once you put it inside the press. Now coated mugs with heating from the outside call for 265 degrees for 3 minutes. When you put your mug inside the DigitalHeat press, be very careful for the handle because we will be pressing this on a pretty high pressure. Now we're going to let this bake. So I always recommend using gloves, but the handle of this mug isn't too hot. So I'm going to carefully remove it from the press, and I will now put my gold metallic mug in here for 3 minutes as well, while still being careful for that handle. Now I like to put the mugs in the freezer when they are done pressing. It helps them cool faster, and it always seems to give an easier peel. Now I have already lifted up the heat tape a little bit to help me out, but I am going to carefully remove this transfer by kind of just rolling it back on itself. And now that this one is done, I'm going to move on to our gold mug. Now these designs are two great examples of the kind of mugs that your customers are looking for. Portrait mugs, like this couple, are great for holiday gifts and special events like anniversaries. And the silver mug with the Stingrays logo would be perfect to sell to local schools or sports teams, and they would probably buy these in bulk. Now I'm going to use a little bit of our hard surface cleaner, and this will remove the haze that was left behind from the polymer on the transfer paper. The final step is to place these mugs directly in your oven on 375 degrees for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then these mugs are complete and they're ready to be sold. Now here's a quick run through of what we used here today. We have our metallic mugs from bestblanks.com. Then we have our Easy Peel hard surface paper and DigitalHeat mug press from colemanandcompany.com. And we have our DigitalHeat FX system with the 8432 Oaky white toner printer. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, visit DigitalHeatFX.com and live chat with one of our pros.